I can't see. I had my visor open. No. Oh man, that's so much worse from down here. Dude, there's zero run up. That was wow. I was good until I wasn't. This boulder's gonna fuck me up. Yeah, I just need to straighten up a little bit more. Fucking EBS, god damn, that shit's so fucking frustrating. Alright, well I guess I'll just have to try third this time. Dang it. I'm just burning that tire off. It's just not even trying. I need a BMW. One of them big 1300 jobs. Well, I almost took it out of gear. I gotta be ready to run away as soon as it starts to go too. Which is right around here. I don't think I can reach on the left. Can't. Not really. Truly, it does feel like that. It's just like shit, man. Dang it. Motherfucker, I didn't turn the camera on. Damn it, I'm so close. That means I gotta do it again. Dang it. I hit my fucking knee. God damn it. God damn, that hurts. Motherfucker. No, I got this shit. Damn! damn, so close. God damn it.
You want to winch it this time?
Nah, she should walk. Oh, my fucking boots hooked. God damn these fucking boots. God damn. Ah! That's better.
Yeah, much better.
That's better. I fogged up shortly after I started and I was like, I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
You got like a buffer.
I might have one more in me. I want to go up. I want to go up.
Where are we going, sir?
One of the bars. When's the last time somebody was like, yo, I did something so gnarly I had to use a winch on my dirt bike?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I'll fucking take that. That's a win in my book. Oh, yeah. Fuck.
Just don't go backwards.
That's a fucking win.